Well, Samsung's smart fridges have sparked global backlash after a recent pilot program in the US rolled out software updates that pushed digital ads onto the Family Hub fridge screens with no way for consumers to permanently switch them off. Buyers who invested in premium appliances to avoid distractions say the move feels like a betrayal, which then raises bigger questions about ownership and whether manufacturers can retroactively add ads to products that people have already bought. Samsung argues that the ads only appear when the screens are idle, and they insist that no user data is being tracked during the trial. But the backlash echoes criticism that the company has already faced with smart TV advertising. Now, Peter mentioned his smart TV earlier. The controversy highlights a wider debate about the future of smart homes. Are consumers paying for top-end tech or for a new billboard in their kitchens? I get it. I understand why people are so upset because those smart fridges are very expensive.
Yes.
En as jy so iets koop, koop jy dit om al die voordele van
jouself
so iets te kry, om jouself te geniet. En die feit dat hulle sê nee, die advertensies is net in idle mode. Well, if it's in idle mode, how do you know someone's watching? And then what value are you getting out of a fridge that's advertising stuff in idle mode?
Jy kry mos baie keer die geleentheid om te skiep. Ek het al gewonder hoeveel mense skiep so 'n ad en hoe belangrik daai eerste 3 of 5 sekondes eintlik is, want dit is al wat jy deesdae loer. As jy hy moet nie verder kyk.
Die meeste mense skip, ja.
Ja, en ook wat as jy wat as die yskas nou selfs meer smart word en jy kan nie eers jou fridge se deur oopmaak totdat jy die ad ten volle gekyk het. So, presies.
Dit kan help met 'n dieet.
Dit kan, maar sê nou, jy is op 'n dieet. Hier is my volgende vraag. Sê nou jy is op 'n dieet of 'n gesonde leefstylprogram, soos ons, ek en Thys wat nou by die munch ding is. Nou sit ek daar en my munch is in die yskas, maar nou is daar 'n groot ad vir 'n kitskosmaatskappy of 'n burger of 'n pizza of wat ook al.
Problematies.
Wat nou? Nou sit ek daar. But I do think it's an invasion of your privacy because you didn't ask for the stuff. So just because the capability is there doesn't mean that they should. Wat's daai ding wat hulle mense sê, just because you can doesn't mean you should.
Ja.
En ek dink dit is regtig van toepassing op so iets.
Luister dames, ek wil net sê om hierdie enetjie neer te sit. Imagine jy kyk 'n lekker horror movie. Jy's alleen by die huis en skielik soos daai horror movie op sy spanningsvolste oomblik is, dan gaan jou yskas aan met een of ander advertensie wat jou laat roar van angs.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.